एक मेजर रीजन कि मेरा सिटीज में मन नहीं लगता इज दैट वी रेयरली सी द क्वर्क्स एंड पर्क्स दैट कम विद द डिफरेंट सीजन्स. नाउ वेदर इट्स द फर्स्ट ब्लूम ऑफ द स्प्रिंग या पहली बारिश में गीली मिट्टी की खुशबू. Call me a cliched old school, but yes, when it comes to mountains, I am a romantic at heart. And my romance with this town frozen in time has just grown stronger by the day. Guess what? I am back home. Back to the thankfully less popular cousin of the popular tourist destination, Mussoorie. Yes, I'm back in Landor. बट सुनीता, पता है आपको कुछ है इन लैंडोर. आई एम स्टिल नॉट एबल टू फिगर इट आउट. मौसम है, जगह है, लोग हैं, स्टोरीज हैं, बट whenever I'm here I feel a sense of connection, a sense of coming back to home.
You know, it is home, and Landor is that special place. It keeps calling you back. I guess because it allows you to be yourself. You know, there are no judgments. There is nobody who's going to judge you. You can you can be in your tracksuit the whole day, go for a walk. Nobody is going to look at you and question कि भाई तुम कर क्या रहे हो. So you can just be yourself. So yes, it is a very special place.
और मैंने सोचा हुआ था, I remember last time when I met you, आपने बोला था कि that mountains, monsoons are your favorite season.
Yes.
इसलिए मैंने सोचा हुआ था कुछ भी हो जाए इस बार monsoons पे बनाना है.
I love it. I love monsoons here. You know, there's so much of freshness all around. You can feel it in the air. You can hear the birds. You know, you look at the trees. You see the flowers that bloom. You name it, it's there right now. It's a very beautiful and magical thing. And the best part about monsoons is, you know, the sunsets are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous.
So look at the irony.
Yeah. So people think कि पता नहीं कितना बहुत foggy होगा, कुछ दिखाई भी देगा या नहीं. वो तो है, but that is the charm of monsoon, right?
There is no view today.
There is no view.
एक चीज बताओ, आप तो daily ही view देखते हो. अब मन भर चुका है?
No, because no two sunsets are the same. हर रोज कुछ खास देखने मिलेगा. So it is amazing.
But are monsoons in mountains, is it for everyone?
Not for everybody. Honestly, my own husband and daughter don't like it. But I love it. Yeah. I mean, if you had asked either of them to stand like this and, you know, get the rain on them, they wouldn't. But I love it.
No, seriously. और Landor, ginger lemon tea, your place, my home. I think this could be the best start.
I'm so happy you feel that.
खामोश कमरे की खिड़की पर टपकती बारिश की बूंदें और उन बूंदों में घुलती कुछ पुरानी यादें अक्सर चाय की मिठास को थोड़ा और बढ़ा देते हैं. Rainy days should be spent at home with a cup of tea and a good book. Or sometimes revisiting the childhood nostalgia with a bunch of naughty monkeys.
So it's a game about collecting resources and making buildings and properties. And
So Joshua 1, Eliana 2, Shrishti 3, Puneet and Abhishek 4. Okay? The bus.
1 minute. Tareem. Where is brick on this board?
नहीं राजेश रोड बना सकती हूँ. 11. Very good. ये लो फिर से आ गया वुड.
Hey.
But I'm still enjoying.
एक सीक्रेट बताऊं, इस बच्चा पार्टी के साथ 2 घंटे तक खेलने के बाद भी आई स्टिल डोंट नो द रूल्स ऑफ द गेम. बट सम मोमेंट्स आर नॉट मेंट टू गेन एनीथिंग आउट ऑफ. Sometimes just being in the moment is the best thing one can do.
We can wood more like. Maybe we can wood more.
हाँ ओके
Yes,
समझ गए.
so now we
अच्छा
can
बोलना नहीं
wood
देना भी होता है
more.
भाई. What do we want? What do we want?
Joshua.
12. You needed 11. Or you needed 11.
What? You said 12.
Yellow.
It's not easy to get out of the blanket on a nippy morning. लेकिन जब सुनीता ने मुझे बताया that the rainy days are perfect for a walk in the woods, it was difficult to say no to.
So this is monsoons in mountains.
Yeah, and you know, I don't understand. Most people are so skeptical about mountains and monsoons. I honestly think it is the best time to be in the mountains.
So has mountain living really changed you?
Oh, big time. Big time, big time. पहले तो I have understood that you know, mountain teaches you patience. Mountain teaches you that you are nothing in the big scheme of things. You know, everything is nature. It is the nature which will lead the course. Like how much we had planned for this today, but look at the weather. It's not in your hands. But at the same time, you understand that you are here for a different purpose. You do not choose to come here. You were brought here because there was a reason.
You know, जैसे आपने कहा ना कि Landor for you is all about walks and being with nature. तो मेरे जितना ये दिस मस्ट बी आई डोंट नो 5th टाइम 6th टाइम इन लैंडोर, और हर बार एक ये सेट क्राइटेरिया रहता ही है कि आई हैव टू गो ऑन मॉर्निंग वॉक्स, आई हैव टू गो ऑन इवनिंग वॉक्स ऑन द सेम ट्रेल्स. पता नहीं कितनी बार मैंने कर लिए, बट स्टिल आई फाइंड देम सो सूदिंग. लेकिन एक चीज़ जो सबसे ज़्यादा फैसिनेटिंग लगती है मुझे आर सच ट्रेल्स, ये जो पगडंडियाँ जा रही हैं, जो रास्ते जा रहे हैं, एक मन हमेशा रहता है कि यार ये रास्ता कहाँ जाता होगा.
Let's do one thing. I'll take you on one of such paths and let's do a picnic there.
I would love that.
Oh, done. If you're game, then let's do it.
I am totally game for that.
Perfect.
I've learned that home isn't a place, it's a feeling of love, laughter, and peace. Traveling, especially in the monsoons, is not really about the places to visit or things to do. I think it's finding the little things in everyday life that brings us joy. Sometimes the most simple thing in our lives can bring the most amount of happiness.